If you're considering applying for Social Security Disability Insurance or SSDI benefits, you may be wondering how to find out if you are eligible. My name is Caitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, we're going to discuss how to find out if you are eligible for SSDI benefits. Number one, you want to review the eligibility criteria. You want to be familiar with the basic eligibility requirements for SSDI benefits. Generally speaking, you must have a qualifying disability that prevents you from engaging in substantial gainful activity, and you have to have enough work credits through your past employment. Number two, check your work credits. You can determine whether you have earned sufficient work credits by referring to your Social Security statement or contacting the Social Security Administration. The number of work credits required depends on your age when you became disabled. You can also often confirm eligibility for this prong through your My Social Security account online. Number three, assess your disability. You want to evaluate whether your condition meets the Social Security Administration's definition of a qualifying disability. To that end, your condition must be severe enough to significantly limit your ability to perform basic work-related activities for at least 1 year or be expected to end in death. Your impairment must be supported by medical evidence. When reviewing and considering whether you may be disabled, you can also review the Blue Book. The Social Security Administration refers to the Blue Book, officially known as the Listing of Impairments, which lists various medical conditions and impairments that may qualify for Social Security disability benefits. You can review the Blue Book and the Listing of Impairments to see if your disability matches any of those listed conditions. Even if your condition does not meet one of those listings, you can also consider your residual functional capacity, or your RFC. If your disability doesn't meet a specific listing within the Blue Book, you may still be eligible for SSDI benefits if your residual functional capacity is significantly limited. RFC assesses your ability to perform work-related activities despite your impairments. A medical professional or vocational expert can also help evaluate your RFC. Finally, you can contact the Social Security Administration directly. If you are unsure about your eligibility or have specific questions regarding your specific situation, it's best to directly contact the Social Security Administration. They can provide personalized guidance and answer any inquiries you may have. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.